welcome my YouTube family. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to share most amazing recipe of Tawa chicken. Take chicken pieces and add cuts on chicken pieces. Add 3 spoon of garlic paste, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of salt. Apply it evenly on chicken pieces and set aside for 40 minutes. Let's prepare yogurt masala mix. For this we need 1 cup yogurt, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 spoon coriander powder, chilli half spoon, turmeric powder 1 by 4 spoon, yellow food color 3 to 4 drops optional. And now mix it well. Heat the wok, add chicken and steam chicken on low medium flame until 90% done or water dried out. Give charcoal smoke for 3 to 4 minutes. Take large griddle, preferably iron griddle with heavy and thick base. Heat it and add 4 spoons of oil or as required. Now add 2 medium chopped onions, 2 large chopped tomatoes. Use scraper or flat spoon to soften the onion and tomatoes. When water is released, add 1 spoon garlic ginger paste, 1 by 3 spoon salt, half spoon chili powder, 1 by 4 spoon turmeric powder and mix it well. Add 3 to 4 green chilies and mix it well. Add half cup of yogurt masala mix which we prepared. Now we add steamed chicken pieces. Cook and coat well in this masala. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high flame. Add remaining yogurt masala mix and cook it until done. Garnishing, we add chopped green coriander, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, lemons, and leave it on griddle for 2 to 3 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.